Alright, what's up everybody? We just left from World Clutch on Magnolia, and I must say, they definitely provide a quality product, a great service. I was in and out within 30 minutes. But yeah, I'll give you a picture of what we got now. Look at that. Oh my goodness. How incredible. It's just beauty. Absolutely stunning work.
Also, I have no idea why people think that putting candles everywhere around the person that.
Alright, everybody. So now that we've gotten flywheel taken care of, it's time to talk about what we got here. This is just a stock clutch kit from Competition Clutch. Had a good deal on K-Series parts online. So, check them out. They've always done me right. They help me when I'm in a pinch, like now. Unexpected clutch purchase, well, they have a firm, and they don't do credit checks. But yeah, let's do a box opening, because I've been working hard, and I've been trying to get to the point to where I can actually sit back and enjoy this. So, without further ado, let's get this bad boy open and see what it comes with, how it's packed, see if there's anything they can improve on, or, maybe not. Yeah, one more.
Why is it happening? I don't know. The combat, if it isn't flipping, the combat would be really easy to do. That's for sure. But the fact that they can block your attacks that easily.
Oh, goodness. You already know it's good. Alright, comes with a couple stickers. Oh, the end's open.
This game is from 2015 and this version is also from 2015. But yeah, right now we are going to thank Dandelion, our friend.
Nice packing foam, so literally there's nothing else they could do better. There's the, as you guys saw with the other one, it was down to the, down flush with the rivets. About to start eating in. It's got some of the encasing over the spring a little bit to kind of help keep that spring in place. Not quite a full enclosed like you'd want. Those cost a lot more money, but I'll take every little bit of extra little reinforcement that they want to throw on there. More the better. Alright. Let's check out this. Oh, there it is. The juice. Throw out bearing. Bearing kit. And pressure plate. Not too bad. I think the box said 13 pounds in all. Maybe 18. The bag's a little dirty. Look at some of this paperwork I got in here.
I try to talk, speak like choose crocodile options when playing the game. So feel me. I have excuses. Do whatever you want with them. So yeah, we should be closing in to the residence, hopefully soon-ish. Oh, I can actually. I should unlock this.
Pause and read as you need.
In the game, actually, when I was going out.
Just kind of giving people who might not have the paperwork, or maybe these will kind of help with.
Climb here to talk with these guys. Geralt, please. Come on. Actually, don't know the proper way here. Oh,
Alright, well. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'll probably just I don't know, I might work on it some tomorrow, but if I do, I'll be back with another vlog. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like what you see, hit that follow button. I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys later. Thank you.